is Dixon Minor. I work for Dedan Kimathi Foundation as the Environment Conservation Team Leader. And right now we are in Dedan Kimathi Foundation Mega Tree Nursery. This is in Njabini, South Kinangop, Nyandarua County. Currently we are conducting a number of tree nursery activities. Right now we are having some people potting, that is putting the soil in the potting bag so that we can be able to transfer our seedlings from the seed bed to the potting tubes. And then we have another team that is pricking in some seedlings into the potting bags. We have a team that is preparing the soil as well, and others arranging our seedlings beds. And this is the main nursery where we are raising tree seedlings to make sure that we fuel our tree planting agenda of 50 million trees by 2032. This is our target to contribute to the 15 billion trees by the year 2032, towards achievement of 30% tree cover by 2032 as well, as the President has declared in the National Forest and Tree Growing and Forest Restoration Campaign. We are committed. We do believe that we are creating a green legacy, whereby we remember our freedom fighters who are in the forests fighting for independence. We are using what was to them a shield against the colonialists to combat climate change. We believe by the number of trees, when we grow more trees, we increase the carbon sinking capacity, and we reduce climate change negative effects in terms of greenhouse gases. And we have engaged a number of youth from around this area. That means they are getting a source of income through environmental conservation. And we are targeting to raise 2 million trees by the end of this year. This is our third phase of our tree nursery. We have a second phase that we just completed about 2 weeks ago. And our first phase that we did that has mature tree seedlings that are ready for planting. We are going to launch a Greening Our Neighborhood program very soon, where we shall be checking our neighbors how many trees they have planted in their places. We shall be able to work in collaboration with the national government administration officers and the schools once they resume, to make sure each and every school has about more than 30% tree cover is required. We cannot only grow trees in public spaces. We need each and every farmer to be on board. We shall be offering indigenous trees for conservation purposes. We do have the exotic trees like cypress, which do very well for timber and wood, and also fruit trees for food security. And we believe by this, if every member around here grows trees, we shall be able to challenge each and every other person to make sure that their area, their spaces as a shamba, they get to reach 30% tree cover by as required by the government. And we call upon Kenyans to participate in this great initiative, because climate change negative effects will affect all of us. Once we act in unison, we shall be able to safeguard our generation, the future generation, to make sure that we have a safer environment for everybody. We have mature trees in case anybody would like to purchase. Cypress ziko kwa wingi, we have bamboo, we have other indigenous trees, and we welcome everybody. Mwenye hitaji kupanda miti, we can partner, and we can as well sell you some tree seedlings that will help us maintain our team that we are having for accelerating our tree seedlings production.
Dirty hands,
clean environment.
Our trees,
Our entity.
trees for
Better lives.
Dedan Kimathi
Foundation.
Dedan Kimathi
Foundation.